How to turn on insights on Instagram. Instagram Insight help you understand your audience and optimize your content strategy. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution and today I'll walk you through the process of how to turn on insights on Instagram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, launch the Instagram app on your device. Ensure your account is switched to a business or a creator account to access the insight. If you haven't done that yet, check out our previous video for a step-by-step guide. Tap the profile icon at the bottom to access your profile page. Then click on the three horizontal lines in the top right. Then select Insights from the menu. Now you can track important performance metrics like engagement rate and audience demographic. Now you are all set to track your performance and grow your presence with the insight turned on. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.